Hi, my name is Susan Alaimo, and I'm the founder and director of Collegebound Review. For the past 28 years, my Ivy League educated instructors and I have prepared thousands of students for their PSAT, SAT, and ACT exams through small group courses and private one-on-one tutoring. Our 12-hour PSAT and SAT preparation courses are held both at the Hillsborough Municipal Building and Immaculata High School. Throughout the course, I teach students proprietary strategies for each module of the PSAT and SAT as we cover official College Board written tests which mirror the exact content and questions that your child will face on upcoming exams. At the first class, I provide each student with the official digital SAT study guide by College Board, which contains 4 full-length SAT exams. In each course, I teach strategies and content and cover 2 full-length exams. Students practice implementing the specific strategies while I explain every test question. Students are taught what each correct answer is and why, and every math question is written out step by step on a whiteboard. The most efficient process to quickly answer questions is taught, as time is of the essence on each module. I also provide students with our Collegebound Review PSAT and SAT strategy guide, as well as one of the books I personally wrote, College Planning Strategies for High School Families. I advise students to utilize this material that they've learned in class during the weeks and days leading up to their exams. You can download our strategy guide free of charge on our website. During the 12-hour PSAT and SAT preparation course, which I personally teach, I provide lessons on a different module of the test at each class. At the first class, I teach students the overall strategies for maximizing their score on each section of the exam. We then focus on the first module of the test, which is reading and writing. I teach the specific strategies for this section, and we work through practice stories together. Students then complete the 1 full-length module under time conditions. We then review the section discussing what the correct answer is and why for each question. The reading and writing modules focus on critical reading skills as well as on punctuation and grammar. I teach students strategies to improve their reading comprehension. I also teach proper use of punctuation signs, colon, semicolon, comma, and hyphen, as well as tense, parallel sentence structure, and all the grammar rules that are the basis of this section. At the second class, we focus on the second module of the exam, which is math. Students are taught the strategies and formulas they need to know, as well as the types of questions to expect. There is no pre-calculus or calculus on the exam. The hardest math on the test is Algebra 2 with 1 or 2 trig questions, which usually cover the same material. Students are given a right triangle and told what the sign of X is. They are asked, what's the cosine of Y? Students just need to know that in a right triangle, the sine of X equals the cosine of Y. As we work through the math modules, the answer to each question is written out, step by step, on the whiteboard. At the third and fourth classes, I provide lessons on the reading, writing, and math modules of another full-length College Board written SAT exam, providing detailed analysis of every test question. I emphasize to students that they should take the SAT exam several times. Colleges never know how many times a student has taken the test. When it comes time to submit scores, when students are filling out college applications at the beginning of senior year, they log into their College Board account and literally check off which scores to send, obviously the highest ones. We also offer private one-on-one tutoring to prepare students for the PSAT, SAT, and ACT exams. My Ivy League educated tutors from Harvard, Princeton, Columbia, and Cornell teach students specific strategies for each area of the exam while working through official College Board written tests. We utilize a whiteboard to demonstrate each problem that a student gets wrong step by step. This prevents students from making the same mistakes when they see similar problems on their actual exam. Students have a choice of tutoring in person in Princeton or digitally with our interactive one-on-one lessons. For families who want guidance through the entire college application process, I personally advise a limited number of students each year through this one-on-one personalized program. I provide a list of best fit colleges, assist in the writing and editing of inspiring essays, and submit compelling applications. Throughout this program, I guide students in developing an impressive resume by engaging in worthwhile leadership activities, both in and out of school, including meaningful volunteer work and personal passion projects that have become an expectation at the most prestigious colleges. As a graduate of the Columbia University School of Journalism, writing is my passion. I work with each student to personalize essays to stand out to college admissions officers. Please feel free to reach out to us to discuss an individualized plan for your child. Our office number is 908-369-5362. I look forward to speaking with you and helping your child have a successful college application experience.